Hello, welcome back. So today we are simplifying this question without using a calculator. 2 exponent 21 minus 2 exponent 20. So we are going to use this method to solve. Please, if you have any other method, you can also share it under the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you. So from here, you say that this 21, 2 exponent 21, you can express as 2 exponent 20 plus 1 minus 20. So from here, I say that 2 exponent 20 multiplied by 2 exponent 1 equals 2 exponent 20. Now you can see that we are having 20 here and there's 20 there. So you can factorize 2 exponent 20 out. Okay, leaving 2 minus 1, which is equal to 2 exponent 20. 2 minus 1 gets 1, which is the same as 2 exponent 20. So from here, this 20, we can say that is 2 exponent 2 times 10, okay, which is equal to 2 exponent 10 into brackets 2, like this. Now, this 2 exponent 10, we can rewrite it as 2 exponent 5 plus 5 all squared, which is equal to 2 exponent 5 multiplied by 2 exponent 5 bracket exponent 2. Now, 2 exponent 5 is easy to get, which is 32. Okay, so we are going to get 32 multiplied by 32 all exponent 2. Okay, now let us try to multiply the one in the bracket first, which is equal to 32 into bracket. This one to be 30 plus 2. Let's make it this way so that we can easily multiply. Now, 32 times 30, we are getting 960, okay, plus 32 times 2, we are getting 64, all exponents 2. And when you sum up 960 plus 64, we are going to get 1024, like this, all squared. So it means that we need to multiply this figure by itself 2 times. So we are going to get 1024 multiplied by 1024. Okay, so to do this, we have to find a way to break these two numbers down. So you can say that 100, so 1024 into bracket 1000 plus 20 plus 4, so that it will be easy for us to multiply. Okay, then this whole 1024 multiplied by this, we are going to get 1024000, okay, plus now this, which is 1024 multiplied by 20, and then plus 1024 multiplied by 4. So we are going to get 1024000 plus, now 0 multiplied by everything here, we are going to get 0. 2 times 4, which is 8. 2 times 2, which is 4. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 2, we are getting 2 here. Okay, plus 4 times 4, which is 16. So 6, a remainder of 1. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 1, which is 9. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 1 is 4. Now from here, let us add everything together to get the final answer. So 6 plus 0 plus 0, we are getting 6. 9 plus 8, which is 17. 17 plus 0, which is 7, a remainder of 1. We have 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1, which is 5. 4 plus 0 is still 4 plus 4, which is 8. Now, 2 plus 2 is 4. We have 0 here. and then our 1. So this is our final answer for the expression, which is 2 exponent 21 minus 2 exponent 20 without using a calculator. This is our answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.